This is a lump shredder, and this lump shredder can process up to 600 pounds an hour of your lumps and purges. And it's a fairly simple shredder. There's no hydraulics on it. It's just basically gravity fed, comes through and drops to the bin. We can also put on conveyors to it. The controls on this, which stands separate, just start in a very simple way. Just you turn on the power, press the system reset, and that checks the safeties out. The safeties include that the hopper's closed, that the front door is shut on the machine. This one's prepared for a discharge conveyor and a feed conveyor, but we don't have them hooked up, but I'll just turn them on, and simple. And the motor starts up. What I have here is the open view of the lump shredder, just to show you the components. Here's the rotor. As this rotor spins, it just brings the parts back, or the purgings and the lumps back here, and just kind of shatters them. It has a screen on it. And the screens come in sizes from 10 millimeters all the way up to 80 millimeter type screen, depending on the types of components. And then the material falls through to a bin below. These units come like this, which is purely a manual. You put it in with your hands at the top and it goes to a bin at the bottom. Or we also have with conveyors feeding it and a conveyor taking the material away from it. But it's a fairly simple machine. There's no ram on it. So it's mainly for your purges and lumps, which will sit in there and just get busted up. And I'll show you a video of it actually working in a few seconds. Ready to go. Just dropping your sticks in one at a time. Go. Go. Next one, yeah. Next one. This machine had no problem processing your sticks, but since it's basically fiberglass, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it comes out. And it creates a lot of dust as it breaks apart. The material creates a great deal of dust because it's really the glues and stuff coming out of it. And I'll run it through a second test to show how small we can get it. But it has an odor in the air as well from the breaking of it apart.